Hi, good morning. It's coffee time with Andrew once again. I thought I'd do another one of these. I was talking to my friend Pete yesterday, as a matter of fact, and he said he actually enjoyed seeing them. So I figured maybe I should start doing them again. I thought, they're kind of a little bit of work. I have to reconfigure my computer when I do them and turn some things off and other things on because of the new equipment I got, which is kind of cool. I am now using my GoPro, my old GoPro, to record this as an experiment. It's not, it's in some ways better than my webcam and in some ways not as good. So really trying to get the lighting right with this camera, which is the tricky part, I believe. Yep, morning coffee, just what I need. I wanted to go over a couple new websites I have. These are for the real estate. Some of you know I've started selling real estate, so if you have a house you want to sell, get in touch with me. You looking to buy a house? Yep, I can help you with that as well. So let's go over there and take a look. First, we're going to start off. I'm with Keller Williams, so I can help you no matter where you are in the United States and Canada, most likely Europe as well. Here's that Keller Williams site. So you can see I'm rebranding everything to the @geo. That's probably going, I just think it's a lot easier to type in than on the road or on the road with Andrew. So that is going to be that part of it. Let me just get back in here a little bit. So we have this here. You can see my picture without my hat. And you can sign up here and search for properties. I also have a dog real estate website here. So it's dogfriendlyhomes.com. And this is a property I worked a little bit with. It was really nice for dogs. Really nicely cross fenced. The fence isn't very high, but it was set up quite well for dogs. So we have sales here. We have all this. I actually have a couple different profiles or indexes analysis to do for both your dog and your property or the property you're interested in. Here's a great German Shepherd puppy. And it's all types of houses are great for dogs depending on how they're set up. Here these people had a back house. I believe they used that for an office. They're kind of famous here in Orange County. So that kind of goes over the real estate sites, what I have so far. I actually have a couple other ones I'm working on. I like making websites, so of course I'm going to be building these out. Got to get off to see a dog pretty soon this morning, so just wanted to do a quick update here and test out the settings on the GoPro camera. Wishing all of you the very best. Have a great day. Bye.